Oh yeah. First bike loaded up, ready to go tomorrow. Good morning. It is 11:30 before sunrise, but that's okay because we're getting ready to go riding. Oh, still here. I don't think it looks like it on video. It is early. It's about 7:45 in the morning. Sun hadn't even rose yet. It rises over there. Loaded up, ready to go.
28, right? Or you're 25?
You sure you don't want to go?
I can do whatever. Don't put me on the spot.
We're ready to go. Going?
You're ridiculous.
You ready to go?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's go.
Woo! The boys went to go ride. Gonna go relax. Scatter some kindness today.
Cracked my exhaust pipe. Couldn't figure out why it was so loud. That explains it. Right there. All the way around.
Even where the Kickstarter is, it's wet right there too, like it leaks something.
Yeah, probably a little leak. Ah, it's fine. Your exhaust pipe's in one piece. It's doing better than I'm doing. Thank goodness my wife is way smarter than me and suggested we bring the four-wheeler too, so now I have something to drive. Okay, back to the truck.
We're back from dirt bike riding. Washing it off.
Oh yeah, I got out of that mud hole and it was all smoking.
I'm just sorry I missed you falling into the hole.
Now for the real problem. As you've seen, I blew out my header pipe. Don't know how. Didn't wreck. Maybe just stress. But either way, this has to come off. A new one is anywhere from $225, $250 if you can find them. Everything is out of stock. I've been searching for about a week and I still can't find one that is in stock. So I'm gonna call, maybe I'm putting too much thought into it. So I'm just gonna call the local Kawasaki dealership, see if they have something in stock that I can use or get it in a few days. I don't know, aftermarket, might have to tune. And I really don't want to tune. There's a lot of power in a KX450, and I just don't see myself needing an aftermarket where I have to retune stuff to get better low-end torque. It's got enough torque for me. So I guess we'll get to taking that apart. And by the way, in case anybody's seen the other video where I rebuilt my front fork seals, they seem to be doing pretty good. I haven't seen anything running out. There's nothing on the wheels. It does handle better off of jumps and in the sand, so I think I got it. So you can go watch that video. I'll put a link down there. I'd have to look at the specs, but I'm pretty certain this exhaust has been off before, because to get to this nut, you got to go through the other side. I would think that should be flipped around. And if I look really close, I think I got a little bit of a break right there. Hopefully that seals up good. Got the pipe off, and you can see just how badly that is damaged and blew out all the way around. The crack on the other side goes clear around to there. Well, I did order a new pipe. Finally found one. $258 for about 12 inches of pipe with a curve in it. So I ordered it because they said they had it in stock. Then I got an email saying that they were shipping it from the manufacturer. The manufacturer says they don't have it in stock. So I have no idea when I'm going to get it, if I get it. So a buddy of mine brought this four-wheeler over that belongs to his kids. Says it'll start, but he can't keep it running. So we're going to see if we can help him out and get it to work. According to the tag, it is a Shandong out of Vietnam. It's a Hawk 110. Never heard of them, don't know anything about it, but we'll see if we can help him out. The carb is way up in here somewhere, so I think we'll start with taking some of this outer plastic off. Well, didn't even get all the plastics off. Decided I would try to just mess with the choke a little bit and get it started and warmed up. Turns out idle was set too low. Adjusted the idle screw on the carburetor and it purrs. Let's take it for a ride. Seems to work to me. I'll just put the screws back in it and put the seat on it. Call him. Thanksgiving 2023, when most people are putting up Christmas lights and Christmas decorations. Yeah, we're just now taking down Halloween decorations. I did. Oh, first solo drive. There she goes. First time by herself. Well, apparently we broke everything that we took. My buddy told me I looked like I was low on coolant, which it's only right there, so I was low. So I got to looking, and I went up and grabbed this hose right here, and it snapped right off the top. But unlike the part I'm still waiting on for that, and it's been 3 weeks now, this one's available on Amazon. $18. Got it in 2 days. Kind of looks like a mini pea jug. And my friend Sam brought me this brand new canopy. This is Sam right here. Free of charge. Probably payment for working on his kid's four-wheeler because I refuse to take any money from him. Thanks, Sam. Should just be one screw there and one screw there. Now I gotta try to get that little bitty thing off. Couple of screws. Voila. Try to top this off without making a huge mess. Oh, I know what to do. Add a funnel. Make sure the radiator's top off. Oh yeah, we're good. Coolant level's right where it's supposed to be. Radiator's full. All the bolts are tight, all the hoses are on. We should be good to go. Now if we can just get the parts in for this thing. Still got about 5 or 6 days before they say it's going to ship. Well, the day for my new pipe to come in has come and gone, and I still have the crappy old pipe. And just for the record, can't weld it. I tried badly. Probably would help if I knew how to weld, but I don't. But I don't think you can weld these anyway. I was hoping to get it and get it put back on before the end of the video, but I don't want to hold the video any longer, and it's literally only 2 bolts and a clamp, and it all goes back together. I guess it's also okay because we had a high of 24 degrees, so I'm not riding it anytime soon anyway. But that's going to do it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget, about 50 more subscribers. I'm gonna have a hat giveaway going on. You don't want to miss out on that. Thanks for joining, and we'll catch you on the next one.